I hate cooked pineapple a lot, but I really love that sticky, spicy pineapple Togarashi. It's just... Welcome back to a new cooking video. I'm Chef Devo, and today I'm going to teach you how to make pineapple Togarashi. Basically, it's pineapple chunks that have been seared quickly so the inside is still juicy and raw and the outside is caramelized, sticky, sweet and spicy. It's super simple to make. It only has like 3 ingredients: sugar, Togarashi and pineapple. So you can probably guess how to make this. You probably don't even need to watch this video because it's just super simple. But I guess just keep watching, and since I've made it, might as well go to the end of the video. Anyway, let me show you how to do this very simple appetizer that just is very enjoyable. People love this. Let's get going. Let's do this. Okay, let's start by preparing our pineapple. I'm going to cut the top off it and the bottom, and I'm going to slice it in half. This just makes it nice and easy to remove the skin, or the tough part on the outside. I'm just going to cut away all the skin, and once I've done that, I'm going to cut it in half and then cut that into quarters. And then I'm going to remove the center hard core, which is in the middle of all the quarters. And then I'm going to take the quarters and split them into 8s, just like this. And then I'm going to cook them. So here I'm taking a little spoon of coconut oil, putting it on a non-stick pan on a high fire. We want high and quick heat. This is a very short cook. So we're going to take a small amount of these pineapple cubes. I like to use about 4 to 5 of them, and just sprinkle 1 tablespoon of brown sugar over it like this, and add 1 tablespoon of Togarashi 5 spice. And this is a spice mix you can buy. I'll link it in the description below. It's used a lot in Asian cooking. It has chili and sesame seeds and all sorts of stuff. Okay, add a little bit more brown sugar and a little bit Togarashi once you flipped it a couple times. And don't worry about over seasoning this, because a lot of the seasoning will stick to the pan or fall off as you try to move it. And what we're trying to do here is keep the inside nice and raw and not cooked, while the outside is caramelized and spicy and sticky and amazing. So just keep it moving and flipping. And this is a very short cook. It should not be more than 1.5 minutes. This looks basically done now. I'm going to pull them out and place them onto a small serving platter. Here, this is what I like to use: a small bowl with about 4 little chunks of pineapple, which is a nice appetizer. Done. Alright, so now that we've prepared our pineapple Togarashi, all that's left to do is taste it, or sample it. Now you should probably use fork and knives for this, because they're big chunks and they're sticky on the outside. So unless you want sticky fingers, you can just use a little knife and fork. Damn. It's good to make a small portion of this, because otherwise you just don't stop eating it. Alright. Make this. You won't regret it. If you don't like spicy, put a little bit less. But honestly, you want it to have that kick, Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. See you in the next video. Goodbye.